Good morning and welcome to this beautiful day. I'm going to make a smoothie bowl for my daughter who isn't feeling so well. I'm just gonna turn these lights down. There you go, just so that the light's not so bright. And we've all been fighting like little, some viruses or illnesses. My husband and now my daughter. So I made these smoothies 2 days ago. This tropical smoothie of mango, piña, pineapple, coconut milk, dragon fruit, like a tropical smoothie. And so I'm going to use this tropical smoothie, the 3 cubes here. This is from another previous smoothie. And I'm going to make a smoothie bowl for my daughter who's not feeling well, especially with her throat still hurting. And so I'm gonna get that started with her. So I have here my bowl. I'm going to put this down. Just pop this out. I like these trays because they're easy to bend and pop out ice cubes. They make these light, large smoothie cubes. And so here we go. I have 2 in here. So put that in the microwave for a few seconds. And while that's microwaving, I'm going to gather my ingredients. So I'm going to use a lot of honey. So let me grab the honey. It's very good for the throat. A little honey bear. Here. So I'm gonna put honey, and then I need some cinnamon. I have some cinnamon over here. I have this I like to organize all my stuff, so I have all the spices organized. Add a little cinnamon. And some smoothie bowl. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a spoon. She loves these fun, like rainbow spoons that came with the cereal. This is also a good, and I forgot to wear my apron today. No polka dots now. But this also can be a good workout for your arm and your hand. So you can work out as you cook. If you also want to just do some leg, like sometimes when I'm really bored doing something, I'll just move my leg, stretch up and then stretch back. So you can do that, the little stretches, moving, kicking your legs up. So you can get an arm workout as well as a leg workout. So good to move around. All right, so I have that there. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spice it up with some bananas. If I can open the banana today. I'm still waking up myself, so bear with me. I'm just gonna have the banana and place it all around. There we go. So you have some banana here, and then the honey. Honey is really, like I said, it's not only is it yummy and delicious, it's also medicinal. And this honey is not, it's taking a little time to come out. Okay, so I don't have the patience to deal with that right now, so I'm just gonna go to the pantry, and I have a bag of honey that comes out much faster. There we go. Lots of honey for a sore throat. And here we go. The coldness from the fruit is very good for the throat. So is the honey. It's medicinal. So if you're having a sore throat, frozen smoothie yogurt with some honey can go a long way. Also, if you want to top it off with a little bit of cinnamon. There you go. Now to taste it. Right. Delicious. A smoothie a day keeps the doctor away. Enjoy.